In this lab, we have 4 routers. All routers exist in Autonomous System 300. Our target in this lab is to make all the routers see all the networks using EIGRP routing protocol. First, we enter to router 1. As you can see, router 1 is connected to 3 networks: 10.0.12.0/24 and 10.0.13.0/24 and 20.0.14.0/30. So in router 1, we enter to global configuration mode, conf-t, and then router mode router EIGRP, then autonomous system number, which is 300, enter, then network. The first network is 10.0.12.0, 10.0.12.0/24 means that 255.255.255.0. This means that wildcard mask is change every 1 to 0 and change every 0 to 1. This means wildcard mask is 0.0.0.255. The second network is 10.0.13.0/24, 10.0.13.0. The wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. The third network is 20.0.14.0/30. 20 network 20.0.14.0/30 means that the subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. This means that the wildcard mask is 0.0.0.3. Then no auto summary. By default, EIGRP makes summarization to classful boundaries, makes IB summarization to its classful boundaries. No auto-summary command prevents EIGRP from making summarization for IB addresses to its classful boundaries. So now we finished router 1 configuration. Now we enter to router 2. As you can see, router 2 is connected to 2 networks. So on router 2, conf-t configure terminal router EIGRP 300. Then network, first network is 10.0.12.0, 10.0.12.0, 0.0.0.255. Second network is 10.0.23.0, 10 network 10.0.23.0, 0.0.0.255. Then no auto summary. Okay, router 2 is finished. So let's enter to router 3. As you can see, router 3 is connected to 2 networks: 10.0.23.0 and 10.0.13.0/24. So in router 3, conf-t router EIGRP 300. Okay, network. First one is 10.0.23.0, 10.0.23.0, 0.0.0.255. And second network 10.0.13.0, 10 network 10.0.13.0, 0.0.0.255, and no auto summary. Then router 4 is connected to only one network: 20.0.14.0/30. So conf-t configure terminal router EIGRP 300. Then network, okay, one moment, 20.0.14.0/30. 20.0.14.0/30 means that the wildcard mask is 0.0.0.3 and no auto summary. Okay, now we finished all EIGRP configuration on the 4 routers. So let's enter to router 1 and enter to router 3 and see the routing table to ensure that router 1 and router 3 know about all the networks that exist in Autonomous System 300. Let's enter to router 1 and show IP routes. Well, we can see that on router 1, the directly connected networks are 3 networks: 20.0.14.0, which is this network; 10.0.12.0, which is this network; 10.0.13.0, which is network, and router 1 knows about network 10.0.23.0, which is this network, using D, which means that it knows about it using EIGRP routing protocol. So router 1 knows about all the networks. Let's enter to router 3. Router 3, show IP route, enter. Well, in router 3 we can see that router 3 is directly connected to two networks, 10.0.13.0, which is this network, and 10.0.23.0, which is this network. And router 3 knows about two networks using EIGRP routing protocol, 20.0.14.0, which is this network, and 10.0.12.0, which is this network. So router 3 is able to know and able to reach all the networks that exist in this autonomous system. Well, we now can say that all the routers in autonomous system 300 can reach all the networks that exist in autonomous system 300, which is our target in this lab.